Some days I just feel way too compelled to share my knowledge with the world, and this is one of those days because today's trading in the S&P was just fucking beautiful. This is a 5-minute chart of the S&P futures today. We're going to go to a 60-minute chart to show you where the low of the day came from. Pre-session, that is, pre-session. So this is a 60-minute chart. This was the high after recovery from the crash, the swing down, the 50% retracement, and now the break to new lows. Now what's interesting here is this is giving us a projection, right, the 75% retracement, which is actually the target on the chart. I tend not to believe that right now because there is a key reversal update, but again, that's me thinking and not trading. So that, for what it's worth, that's on the chart. Today's intraday low, though, was based on this initial swing down. I had a buy order in at 11:04.50 MIT while I was sleeping this morning. If I go back to the 5-minute chart, you'll see 11:04.75. 75 was the low. So I missed buying this low or getting my MIT order executed by one tick. So that was unfortunate. So I was stuck, not really doing much until this swing formed right here, and I got long. I believe it was around 11:12. I got long there, and the 12.5% was taken out from the primary range, so I was looking for the 25 or 38.2 as areas to sell. If I go to a 30-minute chart, I can show you exactly that the 25% retracement came in at 11.12 and a quarter. People following me on Twitter today saw that I sold a little prematurely around 11:21.50. There was another reason for that, which I can't explain. It has to do with time, which I don't share to you people. It's too valuable. But there's another reason that 11:22 and a quarter was hit, and that was because if we go back to the 5-minute chart, you can see it. We kind of had this little bridge of support and resistance right here. These were previous highs in the afternoon, the 3 o'clock hour. The market likes to test the previous 3 o'clock hour highs unless there's a huge gap on the chart because it allows people who are day traders to get back into the market at those highs. So this set up a beautiful, beautiful double top. A lot of people don't like to do double tops like this, but guess what? I do. So when I saw this double top, I knew one thing, and that is that the low between the two tops was likely to be taken out, which was 11:04.50, or sorry, 11:04.75. Should have been 11:04.50. So it was taken out here, and this was a double bottom indication. There's about two to three ticks separating the previous low and this low. So I did reverse here, and then we had this intra-range swing. I reversed back short on that swing, and the low of the day was a thing of beauty. I did think this 61.8 was going to hold, but as I've mentioned, I'm not sure if this 61.8 is the right calculation because the crash low, there's no true validity that that low at 10.58 was real. So I'm a little skeptical of the primary retracements at this point in time. So what I did have on my chart, and a lot of people probably have no idea how to do this, I draw a projection of the double top. And when you draw a double top projection, the most likely area of support is the 127.2. And the 127.2 was perfectly clustering with the 200-day moving average. So I reversed, after reversing short here, I reversed short a little late, right around 12:01 on the pop bar, because I was still thinking about this 61.8. Is this real? What's going on here? Are we going to crash down? We just had a double bottom failure. But I reversed here, and I had to walk away. I had some client meetings. What happened and why I hate my clients is we had a beautiful 3 drives to a top. I mean, come on. Right at the 25% that held the market up here, same 25% when you redraw it, calculation comes in here. And we have a 3 drives to the top. I mean, when you see a 3 drives pattern hitting a primary number like the 25%, you know that the low between the 3 drives is going to be taken out. It was. Then we had a swing down. This was an ABC swing correction. And then we have a double top on the chart right at the cluster average of the 38.2 and the 25. So this double top on the chart is giving us a sell. I wasn't there to reverse on the ABC. which the projection of the ABC comes in. Oh yeah, look, right there. Held it by about 3 ticks or so. And the retracement for that ABC also probably came in for a nice little cluster. Yeah, there's a 50%, there's a 61.8. So beautiful, beautiful retracements and projections, clustering up, fib Gann analysis. So what I know right now is there's a key reversal update in the euro. The S&P is getting led around like a little like a bull, with the euro being the ring between its nose, and it's kind of gyrating. I don't believe this double top. Maybe we take it out and find support right here at that previous 61.8 that I just removed from the screen. But more likely, I think we're going to take out this double top. It's going to be a double top failure. And as you know, a double top failure leads to a massive swing. So we got a really strong buy at 11.18. We got a really strong buy 11.23. We do have resistance here, and we do have resistance here. I am a little worried about this high might not get taken out. We go to new lows, but we're set up for a key reversal up day in the euro and potentially follow through now in the S&P. So that's it. Beautiful day. Had I taken the 3 a.m. double bottom or double top short, had I got filled on my MIT, had I sold here, which I did, had I reversed here, which I did, had I sold here, which I did, had I reversed here, which I did, had I reversed here, which I did not, had I reversed here, which I did not, and had I reversed here, which I did not. Jesus, there's like 60 or 70 S&P points on the table today. Compounding up on a 10 lot account, it's easily a $100,000 day. So that's it. I had to share this video because the market was just so technical and beautiful today. And I hate giving away my secret sauce, but goddamn, good luck.